In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Miro. This simple yet essential customization can enhance your online presence and make your workspace feel more personal. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To get started, open up your Miro dashboard and locate your profile avatar in the top right corner of the screen. This is your starting point for accessing your personal settings. Go ahead and click on this avatar to reveal a drop-down menu. Once you're there, select the option labeled Settings. By doing this, you'll open up your profile settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now that you're on your profile settings page, you'll notice several fields available for you to manage. These include sections for your name, role, and company details. But the section we're interested in today is the one specifically designated for your profile photo. Here, you have the opportunity to choose an image that represents you within the Miro community. Next up, you want to focus on the current avatar or the photo editor area. A simple click here will prompt you to upload a new image. Whether you prefer a JPG or a PNG file, Miro accepts both formats. Choose an image that you feel best represents you professionally or personally, something that colleagues or clients can easily associate with your online identity. Once you've selected the image from your device, you'll be guided to crop it to fit the designated space. This step is crucial for ensuring that your profile picture is neatly presented without any unintended cropping or resizing issues. Take your time to frame your image just the way you want it. After cropping, it's time to save your changes. Upon saving, Miro will update your profile with the new image. If you're wondering where and how this change will manifest, rest assured that this updated image will now appear next to your name throughout the Miro user interface. It will be visible during your interactions and in upcoming sessions, giving a fresh face to your digital presence, and there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully customized your profile picture in Miro. Whether you're collaborating on a project or attending virtual meetings, your updated image reinforces your unique identity in any professional setting. Changing your profile picture is a simple enhancement, but it significantly personalizes your user experience and helps others recognize and remember you in the digital workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, feel free to like or share, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your Miro experience.